Subscribe to PyPro Tricks for Python and competitive programming and Boost Obsession for technical videos. In this video, we are going to check whether a number is even or odd. There will be two methods, one using the modulo operator and one using the AND bitwise operator. So let us know how this AND operator works. This AND, let me quickly draw the truth table of it. The input A, input B and the output Y. So in the inputs, whenever there is a 0, you can see in these three values, you can see a 0 as one input. So the output will be 0. And for the output to be 1, all values must be 1. Okay. Then only the output will be 1. With that being said, let us create a function for finding even odd using modulo operator. Okay. We'll be passing a number to it and we will be checking if num modulo 2 equals to 1. It means that it is an odd number, so we will be going to return num is odd. All right, and if it is not, then we are going to return num is even. Right, here we are using string formatting. Okay, the number in the curly braces will be the variable itself and other things will be the string. Let us also see how the modulus operator works. This will give the remainder to us. When we divide a number, say n by x, then it will give us the remainder. Okay, this one. So let us say that we have 13 mod 2, then it will give us the remainder, which will be 1 when we divide 13 by 2. Okay, and if we run this method here, print even odd modulo, let us say 2, 20, and same we are going to check for an odd number 21. So it will give us that 20 is even and 21 is odd. Now let us go with the second method, even odd, using AND operator. Okay, num, the same we are going to use if num and 1 is equal to 1, we are going to do these things the same. So if num and 1 equal to 1, we will be saying that num is odd, otherwise it is even. And you see that we have the answer right here. Let us see how this AND operator is working now. First of all, let me find out the binary of 20. The binary of 20 is 10100. So we are inputting the 20 as number and it is 10100, and we are doing the AND of it with 1. Okay, so the AND of it with 1 is 0 and 1 and will be giving us 0. You can check out the table here. The output will only be 1 when we have both of the values as same. You can see that here we are not having the same value, so output is 0 and all others are 0 also. So these will be 0 again and it will give us 0 only. So that is why it is even. And if we consider 21, the binary of 21 is 10101, and if we do AND of 1 with it here also, then you can see that 1 and 1 both the values are same, so it will give us 1 and all others will be 0. Okay, so it is giving us 1, which is equal to 1 right here, and it will print us the 1 is odd, the number is odd. But now we want to check which is fast, the modulus operator or the AND operator. Which one gives us the faster results? Let us compare it. So I have made a quick method for you to check it. Here's the same function, even odd using the AND operator and using the modulus operator. We have included the time perf counter, which is used to check the timings, and we are going to go for the value of 10 raised to power 7. From 0 to 10 raised to power 7, we will be going to iterate and we will be checking whether the number is odd or even using mod and AND operator. Okay, these are the methods. In the first part, we are using the function calls, and in the second part we are just using inside the loop itself without calling any function. So let us execute it now. Just wait for it. And you can see that with the use of function, the percentage, the modulo operator takes 1.9 seconds only to compute the odd or even numbers from 0 to 10 raised to power 7. And the AND operator takes 2.2 seconds. So you can say that the modulo operator is faster than the AND operator. And if we don't use any function, you can see still modulo operator is faster by 0.1 seconds and the AND operator is a bit slow. So finally, we can say that who is fast? Percentage is faster than AND operator, right? So it is better to use the modulo operator than the AND operator. So please subscribe to PyPro Tricks and Boostup Station. That's it for now.
Thank you for watching. Now it's time to discover more. Simply click on the screen to subscribe to our channel and watch another video to discover more.